As part of CID Group's sustainability programme, we're always looking for new and innovative ways to help our customers meet their net zero objectives. One of the problems that we come across in the traffic management sector is that when barriers and cones and signs get to the end of their life, quite often they end up in landfill. However, the material that these products are made from is very valuable and they can be recycled. To combat this issue and avoid materials ending up in landfill, CID have launched our traffic management closed loop recycling scheme to all clients free of charge. How it works: 1. CID provide you, our client, with a stillage to store any end-of-life traffic management products. 2. When this stillage is full, you contact CID Group and we collect that free of charge. 3. That's then taken back to the manufacturer, cleaned, sorted and regranulated, ready to be made into new products. 4. You as our client are then provided with a certificate stating exactly the weight of product that was collected from your yard and how much has been recycled into new traffic management products. Through this scheme, over 350 tonnes of post-consumer HDPE and PVC are recycled every week, and this number continues to rise. To find out more about this scheme, contact CID Group today.